Micro kits have become more and more popular throughout the last years. Let's have a look at what Sonor's AQX Jungle Kit is capable of. If you're looking for high-class video drum lessons filmed by some of the most in-demand international drummers, make sure to visit our platform ArtOfDrumming.com. The whole website and all available courses are completely for free. Simply create your account now and get started. No matter if you're looking for a portable alternative for smaller gigs, want to have a small setup for practice purposes, or are simply looking for a different sound, small micro kits are just what you're looking for. When Sonor introduced the AQX line in early 2021, they also introduced the new AQX Jungle Kit. It features a 16x15 inch kick drum, 10x7 and 13x12 inch toms, and a 13x6 inch snare, and comes in 3 finishes: Red Moon Sparkle, Blue Ocean Sparkle, and Black Midnight Sparkle. Besides the popular shell pack, the kit ships with 2 hardware components. The included tom holder features an additional cymbal arm that makes placing a cymbal super easy, and the bass drum riser enables your beater to hit the drumhead right in the center, even with the size of the kick drum being so small. The toms come equipped with clear single-ply heads, the snare is fitted with a coated single-ply head, and the bass drum has a clear power stroke-like pre-dampened batter head. The reso head of the bass drum is closed and does not have a porthole. All drum heads are made in China Remo UX heads. Now let's get into the sound of the kit. For a very natural sound, we captured the kit using only 4 mics, 2 MC740s as overheads, an M201 for the snare, and a TGD70 for the bass drum. Besides a slight bit of EQing, no processing like compression or reverb was added. Due to the small sizes of the shells, they have their comfort zones where they work best. We tried to find out where the limits of these comfort zones are, so here are the toms, once in a lower short tuning, and then in a higher, more open tuning. We also did the same with the kick drum. The first is a low and pretty short version, while the second one is a lot higher and more open. Keep in mind we didn't use any muffling. You can get a pretty short sound even without a porthole and without any muffling. The pre-dampened stock head does a great job here. Now let's continue with the snare. Here we used our TuneBot to achieve 4 tuning ranges: low, medium high, and high. Here's how the snare sounds in those 4 scenarios. While the snare works best in the medium tunings, you can definitely use it in the high and low tunings as well. The stock snare wires are quite strong in the mid frequencies. If you want a more brilliant and defined snare sound, changing the snare wires might be a good idea. Here's how the stock snare wires respond when dialing them in. And to give you the last important sound of the snare, here's its rim click sound. The 2 most common musical applications for a kit with those sizes might be jazz gigs or as a portable alternative for pop rock playing. So let's hear some grooves played on this kit. First, we're going with a low tuning on bass drum and toms, and a medium tuning on the snare. Here's some standard pop rock playing. If you want a more open sound and want to use this kit in a more jazzy context, here's the AQX Jungle Kit with higher open toms, a higher bass drum, and also a medium snare tuning. The versatility you get from this kit is immense, especially when keeping in mind that it costs less than 500 euros. Sure, the small sizes limit the dynamic possibilities and also the tuning range, but if you're looking for a very portable alternative, this kit might be a great addition to your arsenal. What is your first impression? And what is your favorite micro kit? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more.